Summer 2024. Probably the strangest one that I have experienced in Iceland since moving here about 9 years ago. This summer brought with it an unusual chain of events, starting with a heavy snowstorm at the beginning of June. Almost like a heads up that we were in for something special. That storm delayed the start of the summer by about 2 weeks, if not more. As July and August rolled by, we saw everything from very cold days to temperature climbing near 25 degrees Celsius, which might have honestly been the warmest day I've ever experienced here. And then another storm in August transformed the landscape again, covering the mountaintops with a fresh layer of snow. And so, could predictions about the cooling of the northern hemisphere really be coming true? I guess we'll just need to wait a few more summers to really know for sure. Now it is 10th of September as I'm filming this video, and the first big snowstorm of the year is closing in on the island. Alright, so we have an orange warning for today, and so if you actually look at the map here on weather.is, you can see that the storm is supposed to be the strongest right now in the morning, both for wind and precipitation as well. And I can see that outside it's snowing quite heavily, and the worst weather is supposed to be by the coast, and that's where we're gonna head out. I should have headed out earlier because now it's just pure rain and the wind is crazy too. But just keep driving and I'll maybe try to head more into the mountains because this is this is ridiculous. It's really hard to film anything in the weather like that. Everything gets soaking wet so quick. At this point, arriving to the tip of the coast, wrapped in heavy winds and relentless rain, I knew it was time to reconsider my plans. I decided to change the course and head inland, hoping to rediscover the winter landscapes I had originally set out to find. And just minutes into the drive, I realized it was the right choice. This storm definitely came way too early, but also proved what I've been saying for years. No matter if it's summer or winter, you simply need to be ready for all kinds of weather if you are traveling to Iceland. Luckily though, no storm lasts forever. Look at that weather today. I mean, this is quite amazing to see because this kind of view, this is something that we would normally see around early October, but not right now in early September. But I mean, I cannot really complain because these exact conditions, these are my most favorite conditions for photography. It is really amazing to see how much of the contrast you can get with all these white mountain tops and valleys still without the snow. Alright, but let me be honest with you. I've been getting really comfortable lately, and so let me at least jump on the bike and let's bike all the way to the valley over there and let me show you around and let's enjoy these fantastic views that we have today. It's fucking insane. Holy shit. Check this out. It's a bit windy, but it's not too bad. Just cold enough to sort of cool me down so I'm not sweating. Perfect. Alright, so I'm not gonna make it all the way to the end of the valley because I already lost the good light and it's getting pretty late already. It's 7 o'clock, so I'm gonna head back home and get ready for the evening because we have promised a pretty good northern light show for tonight, so fingers crossed. And the conditions seem perfect. It is completely clear and it is getting freaking cold as well, so yeah, let's see. And by the way, if you have a chance to rent a bike in Iceland, definitely do that. And I think you can do it pretty easily if you're renting, for example, a van, because I think they all have like bike racks. And if you get a bike, like you get to experience Iceland from a totally different angle. Like it's not like always, you know, hopping in and out from the car, and this way you can like truly soak in all the beauty. And plus there is one more tip that I can give you. If you actually rent a bike, you can avoid all these fucking paid parking places really easily, because you can just park a little bit further and then just like bike there in no time and you don't have to walk, so do that. This summer has definitely been out of ordinary, and it really makes me think about what extremes we might face next. By the time I'm releasing this video, the temperatures have risen again, and so it seems like we might still be able to enjoy some late summer warmth before winter truly sinks its claws in.